Hi, I'm Hunter Sentient's Technical Support Director at Screenfeed. In this video, we will talk about using photos in Connect. This video covers ways to add photos to your Connect app, how Connect handles photos on the App Builder canvas, some advanced photo options in Connect, using photo links from a data source, and then finishing up with next steps. To get started with photos in your app, you will need to first log into Connect. Navigate to screenfeed.com in a web browser. Click the Login button in the top right corner, sign in with your username and password, then click on the Connect button in your account dashboard. First, let's set up a blank App Builder canvas by clicking on the My Apps section, then creating a new app. Choose Photos from the left menu to add a photo directly to the app canvas. Click on Upload Photo to add your photos. Here we are presented with a few options. Upload a photo from a device, take a picture with the computer's camera, or use a photo URL link. Click on My Device to browse the files on your computer. This view may look different depending on your computer's operating system. We also see some files are grayed out, showing incompatible file types. Select the file to upload, then click Open. Once selected, we see a preview of the photo that lists the name and size below. In the right corner of the preview, click the X to remove the file from the upload screen. Add more files by clicking the Add More button in the top right corner. We are presented with the same upload options as before. We can also mix and match photo sources on this upload screen if you wanted to add in a picture taken with the computer's camera or a photo from URL. Click Upload to add the photos to the canvas. Uploaded photos will also appear under Saved Images in Photos on the left. Click and drag to add saved images to the app. Remove saved images by clicking the Edit button, then the red X in the right corner of each photo you want removed. Note that photos in your saved image library will be available for every app in your account and also will be visible for everyone who has access to your account. We can search through millions of royalty-free photos to add to the app. Click on Photos in the left menu, then type in a keyword in the search field. Scope the search by orientation or whether or not the image has a transparent background. Click and drag to add the photo to the canvas. Photos with transparent backgrounds often can operate as overlays. With a photo selected on the canvas, we can click and drag to resize, reposition, and rotate. Notice here that the bounding box, when resized, doesn't always match the aspect ratio of the photo. Adjust this by changing the image size in the widget properties on the right. Switching from Fit to Fill will have the photo fill the bounding box and crop to fit. If we are satisfied with how the photo is placed and how it looks, click in the right-hand Properties panel to lock the component so it can't accidentally be changed. Unlock to make changes. An advanced option for photos in Connect is to use a photo as a background for a shape. Click Shapes in the left menu to add a shape to the canvas. With the shape still selected on the canvas, click on Photos in the left menu and drag a photo over the top of the shape. Shapes with images as backgrounds can still have the border and shadow properties changed. We can also remove the photo by clicking Remove Photo in the widget properties on the right. Connect really shines in its ability to build apps that work with data sources and present items such as photos to display dynamically. By choosing data from the left-hand panel, we can connect to an existing data source or create a new connection. Learn more about connecting to a specific data source in our knowledge base at screenfeed.com/support. If your data source includes a photo URL link, your photos will be visible in the Data Points menu. Drag and drop data points from the left menu to add them into the app. You will be asked how you want the data to be presented, in a repeater, in a slide, or on its own. If you want to cycle through records over a grid, choose a repeating grid. If you want to pick and choose from different records, choose on its own. Choose Slide to show a record of multiple data points that you cycle over time. add in additional items such as text or numbers from the Data Points menu to finish building out your app. Let's finish up with next steps. If you don't yet have a subscription to Connect, go to screenfeed.com/connect to sign up. If you want to learn more about Connect before diving in, you can find more videos and how-to documents in our knowledge base at screenfeed.com/support. If you just want to set up a call to talk about content, Connect, or infotainment, we are happy to chat. Send us an email at support@screenfeed.com or give us a call at 1-800-461-3002. Click to learn more about the repeater widget used in this video, or check out our video on connecting to data. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what apps you make.